All right, folks, on this quick episode of DIYNate, we have a bike seat and a replacement seat. This one is really uncomfortable and pretty beat up and chewed up. And I actually put this on as a filler for my adult bike and just was using it temporarily. But now I want to swap it out. And I learned something recently that was pretty easy to take off a bike seat and replace it. It's a super easy process. See, all you're going to need is an Allen wrench and get the right size. This one obviously is a little bit too small. We'll check our Allen wrench here.
You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
All right, folks, on this episode of DIYNate, we're doing a quick bike seat change. And I did not know this until recently, that it's just as easy on a lot of bike seats as taking off this little collar and use your Allen wrench to loosen it up. The seat is adjustable, and so as you move this piece off, the seat is pretty beat up, so we're going to swap them out and just exchange them. But there is a little nut on top here that's going to hold things together. I'll give you the best shot I can, but it's a very basic process. Once you see it, it's a little bit hard to reassemble, and once you get it, you want to pay attention to the order things go. We got a little collar on the bottom, and at some point here we can get him to kind of just pop off there. There's our piece, and these two pieces just come off. This little nut on the top is going to go like so, and we're just going to simply replace it as long as we don't lose our bolt. We're just going to take our bolt like so and do the same thing going the other way. Put this new seat on. Very easy process. Did not realize how easy it was. It looks a little more complicated because as you do this, you kind of got to make sure it sits flush and everything works. I'm going to go this way to start. Other bike experts may have a better way to do it, but I like to have the nut on the bottom side so I can see what I'm working with. And then we'll screw them on like that. Again, I need to pay attention to my orientation to make sure I got it right, but I think I got him. I'm just trying to screw that piece in, at least by hand to start with, and then we'll add to it once we got confirmation that it's gripping.
So while I took the seat bracket all the way off earlier in the video, a little lesson I learned while doing this is you're better off to not take the bolt all the way out. Once you loosen the bolt enough and the bracket has some play in it, you should be able to remove the old seat and put the new seat on. That'll save you some frustration from having to thread the screw and bracket back together, which is a bit tedious.
Okay, to save yourself some time and effort, we're going to go ahead and thread it back together a little bit, and we're going to give ourselves some slack. So I've got it about like this, and it should still allow you to slide it on and off of your bike seat before you tighten it back down. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it in one side, slide it in the other, and there we go. And then I'm going to kind of make the call of where I want this to tighten on, maybe about right here. I like it further back a little bit, so we'll go with that. We're just going to tighten it down now. And it should take. This little extension should go toward the back so that you're in position there. Lock it in, and I'm sure various bike seats differ. We're just tightening them in position, but really you don't have to take it all the way off. In a lot of cases you can just slide it off and it'll save you some effort trying to get that piece to lock in place. So there we are. Bike seat is back together. As easy as that to replace your bike seat. So hopefully this video helps you out, explains to you how to change out a bike seat if you're thinking about it. And just like that, we took off our old one and we've replaced it with a nice comfortable new one, and we're good to go. You've been watching DIYNate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.
If you enjoyed this video, here are a couple more YouTube things you might like. Thanks again for watching.